After a long day on the water, this ProBax orthopedic chair supported my lumbar area, the lower back, all day. I mean, it's really an awesome chair. And to protect it, to protect you, you want to put this cover on. So all I do is I push this back. Now remember, if you want to open it up and it doesn't want to open, you just push this little button right there and then it opens up. To close it, you just pull it down. All right. Now to put this cover on, you just pull it. Take it right over the front of it in the down position. Cover it over the top, and then you can pull this little drawstring close, and she's ready to go.